To access your personal mailbox, it should pop up as a notification on the screen like this, where you can just press connect to listen to it. Otherwise, just press the message key located on the phone.
Please enter your password, followed by pound.
Then just follow the prompts. By default, it should be 1234 hash.
You have one new message. You have one saved message. New message number 1 from 1001.
Hi, this is a test voicemail from Arthur at Tel Group.
To listen to the recording, press 1. To save the recording, press 2. To hear the message envelope, press 3. To return the call now, press 5. To delete the recording, press 7. To forward this message, press 8. To forward the recording to your email, press 9.
Typically, you'll press 7 to delete the message.
Message deleted. You have 0 new messages. You have 1 saved message. To listen to saved messages, press 2. For advanced options, press 5.
And then to exit the menu, just select your button,
You
like
have
so, and press
0
end
new
call.
messages.